Hi everyone, welcome to DC House Tech Talk. Today we're diving into a very practical topic, why LiFePO₄ batteries are actually the smartest long-term investment. If you only look at the upfront purchase price, you might actually be losing money. What you're seeing isn't the real cost. We need to look at batteries from a long-term cost perspective, not just what you pay today, but how much value you get over the entire lifespan. First, lifespan cost. Traditional lead-acid batteries typically last only about 400 to 600 cycles, while LiFePO₄ can easily reach over 3,000 cycles. In other words, the cost per use is much lower with lithium. The LiFePO₄ batteries you pay once, but use it much longer. Second, maintenance and energy efficiency costs. Lead-acid batteries require regular watering, charging checks, and sometimes even cell replacement. It takes time and effort. LiFePO₄, on the other hand, is almost synonymous with maintenance-free. With a built-in BMS handling safety and performance automatically, you save both time and effort, while also benefiting from higher energy efficiency. Over time, those savings in maintenance and electricity really add up. Third, indirect costs related to weight and performance. There's another factor that's often overlooked, the weight. Lithium batteries are much lighter than lead-acid ones. That means your golf cart or electric vehicle consumes less energy and can go farther on a single charge. While these savings and performance gains are harder to quantify, they absolutely count as part of the total cost. Of course, LiFePO₄ batteries on the market vary in price, but when you choose DC House, you'll find a true balance between quality, performance, and value. We don't want you to keep replacing cheap batteries. That only increases your long-term cost. When you look at the bigger picture, LiFePO₄ offers longer lifespan, lower maintenance, and better efficiency through its lightweight design. So don't just look at the upfront price. Calculate the total cost over time. That's when you'll see why LiFePO₄ is the smarter choice. Are you still using lead acid, or have you already upgraded to LiFePO₄? Share your cost-saving story in the comments. Don't forget to like and save. Don't just buy cheap, buy smart. See you next time.